Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best GapFix is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for those seeking a confident smile. Today, we will review this amazing product that promises to effectively and discreetly close gaps in your teeth, addressing a common cosmetic concern without the need for extensive and costly dental procedures. We will explore its features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of whether this product lives up to its claims and is the right choice for you. Number 5. Auraglow Teeth Whitening Kit. Get ready for a brighter, more confident smile. This kit combines a powerful LED light with a professional strength whitening gel for fast, effective results. Achieve the same dazzling results as expensive in-office treatments. It's convenient, and you'll save a fortune. The LED light activates the whitening gel, removing years of stains quickly and efficiently. You'll see a noticeable difference in as little as one session. This kit provides multiple treatments, so you can maintain your pearly whites for months to come. Say goodbye to coffee, wine, and smoking stains. It uses the same advanced LED light technology found in professional dental offices, bringing the power of professional whitening right to your bathroom. The kit comes complete with everything you need: whitening gel, LED light, a convenient case, and a charging cable. It's ready to use right out of the box. It's gentle on your enamel and minimizes sensitivity, ensuring a comfortable and effective whitening experience. Made in the USA for quality and safety. What we like? It boasts a powerful formula and LED light for rapid whitening. If you're seeking dramatic results quickly and want a professional quality treatment at home, this is the kit for you. This option is perfect for those with significant staining who want to see a noticeable difference fast. What people say? I noticed a difference in just 3 uses. Having the mouthpiece in your mouth for half an hour takes some getting used to, but it is not that bad. With the Auraglow, I saw results after the first 30-minute treatment. And even more after the second. I've done 2 sessions and can see a bit of improvement already. I compared before and after photos of my teeth after one 10-day treatment, and I am quite pleased with the result. I can actually see a difference. Number 4. DenTek Temparin Max Repair Kit. Dealing with a lost filling or a loose crown? It's a simple fix with this kit. Get temporary relief fast. This kit helps you temporarily secure those loose caps and crowns. It's a great solution until your dentist appointment. Provides temporary relief from dental emergencies. It's perfect for those unexpected moments. It's designed to hold until you can see your dentist. Bridge the gap between emergencies and professional care. It's recommended by dentists for use between dental visits. It's a convenient solution for temporary dental needs. This kit provides enough material for 13 or more repairs. It's a cost-effective solution for multiple dental emergencies. What we like? It offers a quick and easy solution for temporary dental emergencies. If you need a temporary fix for a lost filling or loose cap until you can see your dentist, this is your best bet. It's ideal for those needing immediate relief and a convenient solution between dental appointments. What people say? This product was a lifesaver. In fact, it was much more comfortable than the temporary filling that the dentist put in. But to be clear, this product is temporary and won't replace a visit to your dentist. Yes, this product works and is recommended by dentists. If you go to YouTube, search this brand and how to use, there are tons of videos of people and dentists who teach you how to use and apply it. This is a great temporary fix for any lost filling until you are able to get to the dentist. It's super easy to use, but I do find that if you have to wait more than a couple days to get to the dentist, you will have to reapply it as it tends to break up. Number 3. MySmile Teeth Whitening Pen. Say hello to a brighter, more confident smile with our innovative teeth whitening pen. It's easy to use and perfect for on-the-go whitening. This pen contains a generous 8 milliliters of whitening gel, providing multiple treatments for a visibly whiter smile. You'll have plenty to achieve your desired results. The precision brush tip allows for easy and precise application, ensuring even whitening across all your teeth. Just click the top to dispense the perfect amount of gel. It's formulated with natural ingredients, making it safe for sensitive teeth and gums. Enjoy a whiter smile without the discomfort. It effectively removes stains caused by coffee, smoking, and wine, revealing your naturally bright smile. See noticeable results in just 10 minutes. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel. Keep it in your purse or car for a quick whitening touch-up anytime, anywhere. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free and experience the MySmile difference. What we like. This pen is designed for convenient, on-the-go whitening. If you have sensitive teeth or prefer a simple, portable solution, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to touch up anytime, anywhere. What people say. These are the best whitening strips I've come across in years. These are easy to use, light unit is easy to keep in the mouth and good whitening. The strips stick extremely well. Bonus is that the lighting tray is rechargeable. As a heavy coffee drinker, I was extremely impressed with how quickly I was results with this product. Within the first few days and my first cycle it's my overall mouth feel much nicer, as well. I have had this for several months now and it is still working strong. The blue lights are very bright. The price was right and it came with a nice soudage case as well as a charger so you don't have a cord hanging out of your mouth. Number 2. Annhua Orthodontic Rubber Bands. These versatile bands offer a simple and effective way to support orthodontic treatment. They're designed to gently encourage teeth movement for a straighter smile. They provide external force to help move teeth into the correct position. It's a common tool used to address various bite issues. The unique elasticity helps adjust the alignment of your upper and lower teeth. They increase traction for more flexible tooth movement. These bands are a medium force, 3.5 ounces, and 1/4 inch in size. Your orthodontist will determine the right size for your specific needs. These bands allow for a full range of motion while talking, yawning, or performing other jaw functions. They're designed for comfort and ease of use. Each animal on the packaging represents a different size band. This makes it easy to find the right size for each stage of your treatment. What we like. This bulk pack provides many bands for various needs. If you're on a budget and need a large quantity of bands for braces or other uses, this is the most economical option. It's great for those undergoing orthodontic treatment or needing bands for multiple purposes. What people say. Gets the job done and is extremely durable. I've had others that burst frequently but these ones are solid. I purchased these bands to help prevent my 2 front teeth from gapping further. I only used them at night while sleeping, and they worked beautifully. You just started Invisalign and got those awful latex-free bands. After hours of them breaking in your mouth with no reason, you start Googling. You find a better way, and yes, these are what you are looking for. 1 week in and 0 breakage. Number 1. Orthodontic Elastic Bands. These versatile bands have a wide range of uses. They're perfect for braces, dreadlocks, hair braiding, or closing gaps between your teeth. At 3/16 inch, they offer a secure and stylish fit. They're small enough to be discreet but strong enough to do the job. Made from high-quality materials, they're built to last. They provide a reliable hold for various applications. Each pack includes a free tool to make application easy. This helps you precisely place them for braces or hair styling. Designed for all-day comfort, they're gentle on your teeth and scalp. Their small size ensures a snug but comfortable fit. What we like. These bands offer a precise fit and enhanced strength. If you need smaller, stronger bands for braces or hair styling, and prioritize comfort, this is a superior option. It's ideal for those seeking a secure and comfortable fit for extended use. What people say. I have a small gap in my front teeth and the bands will close the gap in a couple hours of wearing them. I don't wear them for more than a day. I usually do it before an event, pictures, etc. The gap returns just like it would if you don't wear your retainer. It's great value, they are thick, and I've never had one break on me. The clear you can even see when you wear them. The natural color elastics are very good quality. The thickness, diameter, and tension are perfect. And the durability is also great, lasts all day. The bands came in on time right when I needed them. The elastics are slightly more durable than I expected, which was a delightful surprise. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.